Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. To our principle and see our disease is very hard, then everything is gone. Even I am not present. Do that. That is my way. Whatever I left you, I have taught you to follow that. Nobody will be able to, no Maya will touch you. Now Krishna is getting back. And there is no scarcity of money to print book and sell. Everything is there. We have got good sales on all over the world. We have got endowed stick for things. Even if I die suddenly, we will be able to manage. That I want. Manage nicely. Let the movement go forward. Don't go backward. Be careful. Apni acho to Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.